morning all of you, right? We are discussing simple equations topic, some more examples we can do. Alright, one example is there on the board, see, just verify the question clearly, read it properly. And what is given there you see, Kuldeep's age 12 years, hence means from now onwards. Hence the word will gives, hence means plus, hence means plus, hence plus you need to do plus, hence means now onwards. Kuldeep says 12 years hence will be twice his age 4 years ago. Ago means you need to go back. You need to go back, right? Just try, you can discuss in seconds, right? Good morning everyone, right? Kuldeep's age 12 years hence will be twice his age 4 years ago. What is the present age of Kuldeep? Two conditions are given. From now onwards is given one condition and ago condition 1 is given. So by using those two conditions is asking what is the present age of Kuldeep? "28 years, many have written 20, 28 years, 32 years, option 1. Ganesh Babu written, Sri Latha is written, and many of you written, Vasanta is written, right? Many of you. But 3 different answers you are writing. Many of you written 20 years maximum, and some different answers, 32 is written and 28 also written. I think 20 is suitable answer, means correct answer, I think, right? So Kuldeep says 12 years hence will be twice his age, 4 years ago. Suppose if you take the present age as if you take as P, suppose we can take any letter, I am taking present age P. Present age if you take as P, what is the condition you see? 12 years hence means you need to add P plus 2. So this meaning will give P plus 12. 12 years hence. 12 years hence means present age, and from now onwards you are going to 12 years means P plus 12. So 4 years ago, the present age 4 years ago, it means P minus 4. This will give P minus 4. So what is the condition you see? P plus 12 is twice of 4 years ago, means P minus 4. Just this equation will give answer accurately. Of course, we can do by thought process. First, we are doing simple equations topic, so you need to solve in a simple manner. You need to find out equation. P plus 12 equal to twice P minus 4. What is P? What is P is asking? P plus 12 equal to 2P minus 8. So P will go to that place, means P will come and 8 will come to this place, 20. P is 20 years. Present age of Kuldeep is 20 years. Many have written 20 years, right? And some have written 28. How you thought? Once you verify your thought process, please verify your thought process. 20 years is correct answer. Maximum, many of you written 20 only, but some are written 28. Please verify your answer, right? So this one, hence means you need to add. Hence means you need to add. Ago means you need to subtract. Kuldeep's present age, hence means present age plus how many years will be given, that you need to add. So 4 years ago, ago means for the present age, how many years are given, that you need to subtract. Any condition is there that you can apply. right? I am going forward to next question. Is it clear to everyone? Right, very good, right? Many of you written right, very good. Okay. One more example I am giving, right? One more example, right? See that next example. Read it carefully. And what was given there, you see. 5 years ago, the age of Kiran, 5 years ago, the age of Kiran was half the age of Kirti. 5 years ago is given, the word ago is given here. 5 years ago, the age of Kiran was half the age of Kirti. After 9 years, after means that you need to add, plus. After means plus. After this time means we are going forward, means plus you need to do. After 9 years, the age of Kiran will be 2/3 the age of Kirti. Two conditions are given here. First condition is 5 years ago the age of Kiran was half the age of Kirti, that is the first condition. And the second condition is after 9 years the age of Kiran will be 2/3 the age of Kirti. Now the question is asking what is the present age of Kirti? Somebody written Sri Lata is written 27 years, Sri Lata Danet is written 27 years. 27 years. Present age of Kirti is asking. Read the question carefully and read the conditions also, see carefully. Somebody written 30 also. Two members written 30, 27 and one member written, Shweta Sai is written 30. See the conditions properly, what was given there you see. What was given there you see. Suppose here two members are there, Kiran and Kirti. Kiran and Kirti is there. Kiran and Kirti. Kiran and Kirti. Two members are there. Suppose one fellow if you take as X, the other fellow if you take as Y. Kiran and Kirti. Because both letters are started from K, that's why I am taking X and Y. Kiran and Kirti. Present ages if you take as X and Y. Present ages if you take as X and Y. Present ages if you take as X and Y. What are the conditions we can apply? See once here. Many of you writing 27, many of you writing 27. And some of you written 33 years. Priya is written, Anusri is written 33 years, Satya written Anusri 33 years. Many of you now writing 33 years. Some of you written, Ruchita is written 27 years. Just read the question carefully. What is the first condition you see? First condition is 5 years ago the age of Kiran. Kiran means X. 5 years ago means X minus 5. 5 years ago was half the age of Kirti. Half the age of Kirti. Half the age of Kirti. Kirti means Y. This is also 5 years ago. X minus 5 equal to half Y minus 5. This is the first condition what was given there. So what is the second condition you see? After 9 years, after 9 years means for the present age after 9 years. After 9 years, the age of Kiran will be 2/3 age of Kirti. The age of Kiran will be 2/3 age of Kirti. X plus 9 after 9 years. 2/3 of what was given there you see. Kirti means Y plus 9. In your family, suppose you got this year 30 years and your father is got 60 years. After 5 years means you will be getting 35, your father also will be getting 35. After 9 years means both will be added 9, X plus 9 and Y plus 9. Ago means both will be subtracted. So this is the first condition. and this is the second condition. By that you need to get what the present age of Kirti. Present age of Kirti, right? Many of you now writing 33, all of you writing 33 years, right? Very good, I think 33 years correct only, right? What is the first condition? We can say 2x minus 10 equal to y minus 5. 2x minus 10 equal to y minus 5. Here this second condition, 3x plus 27, I am multiplying with 3 equal to 2y plus 18. By solving these two equations, we will get x and y. The present age of Kirti is asking means y value we required. Y value we required here. 2x minus y equal to 5. This is the one equation. This is here 3x minus 2y equal to goes that side means minus 9. If not in the place of y, we can replace in another manner also we can do. In the place of y, you can replace y equal to 2x minus 5. We can replace y equal to 2x minus 5. Here we can replace y equal to 2x minus 5. X value will get automatically, y value also will get. 33 years is correct answer. 33 years is correct answer. If you want, I will solve it. 3x minus 2y. Y means we can write 2x minus 5 equal to minus 9. 3x minus 4x means x will be remaining and 3x minus 2x, x will be remaining 3x minus 4x minus of minus 10 equal to minus 9. So, minus x equal to minus 19, x equal to 19, it means y value is asking 2x minus 5, 2 19s 38 minus 5, 33. So, y value is 2x minus 5, 2 into 19 minus 5, that is 33 years. That is 33 years. Very good, very good. Many of you written 33, right. Very good. Last step, somebody is asking once again. Last step. Here we cannot rub. If you rub, everything will go, right. Last step, somebody is asking, what is the condition here? Last step, I am telling that x plus 9 equal to 2/3 of y plus 9. Here 3x plus 27 equal to 2y plus 18. So 3x minus 2y, this is plus, no, goes that side, minus will become. Here 18, this is minus 27 means minus 9. But according to the first condition, we got y value equal to 2x minus 5 by the first condition. So this value you replace in this equation, 3x minus 2 into 2x minus 5 equal to minus 9. 3x minus 4x minus into minus plus 10 equal to minus 9. 3x and 4x means x will be remaining minus 10 minus 9 minus 19. So minus minus will be cancelled, x equal to 19. X equal to 9 means y value, y equal to 2 into x, 2 into 19 minus 5, 38 minus 5, 33 years. Right, one more example I will give, just try to do. Right, see what is given there, you see. Next one, what is given there, you see. The sum of digits of Mukul's present age in years is 8. The sum of digits of Mukul's present age in years is 8. After 36 years, his age in years will be equal to the number obtained by reversing the digits of his present age. What is the present age of Mukul? Read it carefully. What condition is given there, you see. Equation format. Generally 99.9% options will be given. Right? Very good. Many have written 26 only, right? Please verify one of you keeping a not audible and a not video is not coming. Please check your network if everything is good only here. Technician verified. Here only is there. Please verify your network also, please. Right. Somebody is asking 44 if it takes, okay. 44 I am taking. Somebody is asking 44 I am taking, right. I will take 44. I will verify. Sweta Sai is asking 44 if it takes, right. 44. What happens? 4 plus 4, 8. So first condition is satisfied, right. Very good. What is the second condition? 44 after 36 years. 6 plus 4, 10. 8, 80. If you reverse it, 44 you need to get. So this is not satisfying. Second condition is not satisfied, Sweta. Here two conditions are there. Two conditions should be satisfied. Right? Here two conditions are there. Two should be satisfied. Right? Somebody is asking once again explanation. C1 here. Nothing. Sum of the digits of a Mukul's percentage. Take that Mukul's percentage is 26. Somebody wants to take 35, take 35 also, no problem. Two examples, two conditions that I am telling. 2 plus 6, 8. 3 plus 5, 8. Suppose if you want to take 44, 4 plus 4, 8. So first condition satisfied, first condition satisfied, first condition satisfied. What is the first condition? 8. Sum of the digits is 8. So satisfied. Second condition. What is the second condition? After 36 years. So 26 plus 36. The digits are reversed. 26 becomes 62. Here happens. So second condition also satisfied. If you come to this place, 36 plus 36, 35 plus 36 is 71. Digits are not reversed. Here 44 plus 36, 80. Digits are not reversed. Second condition not satisfied at all. Is it clear for everyone? Right? If 35 is taken somebody, that's why I taken 35 also. So here 26 is correct answer, right? If at all options are not given, we can go by equation form. That also I will tell, right? Suppose options are not given, then 2-digit number you take as xy. If you reverse it, you will get yx. So xy means 10x plus y, general format. Yx means 10y plus x, that is the general form. Now first condition, sum of the digits is 8. This is the first equation. Second condition, after 36 years means 10y plus x happens after 36 years. So this one you need to solve. This one and this one you need to solve. You will get x equal to sum s, y equal to sum s. What is asking there you see. Right? Very good. One more example I will give, right? Go for the next example, right? Read it carefully, what was given there you see. Read it carefully, what was given there you see. The present average age of 3 friends. The present average age of 3 friends is 14 years. 6 years ago, the age of the youngest was 1/4 of the age of oldest. Read carefully the question. Read carefully the question. You can do by options also. The present average age of 3 friends is 14 years. 3 friends average age is 14 years. 3 friends average age is 14 years. 6 years ago, the age of the youngest was 1/4 of the age of oldest. 3 years ago, the age of youngest was half the age of third person. Now the question is asking what will be the age of oldest of the 3, 4 years from now. Oldest age of the 3, 4 years from now. A little confusion will be there when I reading it properly means. Right? Can I get from any one of you? Now write this question. What is the answer you see? 20 years, 22 years, 24 years, 26 years, none of these 5 options are given there. The present average age of 3 friends is 42. 3 friends average age 42 means sum of the 3 friends age is 40, 14 into 3 that is 42. Sum of the 3 friends age is 42. 6 years ago means everybody is going to back 6 years ago. 6 years ago the age of the youngest was 1/4 of the age of oldest. There you will get the answer. 6 years ago means everybody is going 6 years back. So 6 years means 18 years if you subtract 42 minus 18, 12 minus 8, 4 and 3 minus 1, 24. 6 years ago means the age of the 3% sum is 24 years. At this junction, the age of the youngest was 1/4 of age of oldest. Age of youngest was 1/4 of age of oldest. One-fourth of age of oldest. One-fourth of age of oldest. That is the first condition. 3 years ago means 3 years ago means 3 3 is 9 if we subtract 42 minus 9. So 3 years ago means that is 33. Sum of the 3 persons age is 33. 3 years ago the youngest was half of the age of third person. Half of the age of third person. So a little confusion is there. The construction is given like that. Don't get confused. Read it carefully. Right, we can do by options or we can do by equation method, we can do. Somebody written 22 years, somebody written 22 years, yes it is correct only, 22 years correct only, right? But some of you writing 24 also. Yes, 22 years correct only, Venkatesh, right, 22 years correct only. Yes, very good, very good. Right, very good. I will explain, right. Suppose 3 persons you are taking, no? 3 persons if we take, X, Y, Z if we take. So there is a old person, there is a young person. It means those are there in some order, X greater than Y, Y greater than Z. I am taking this is the youngest person and this one is oldest person. Youngest person and this one is oldest person. This one is youngest and this one is oldest. You can take in reverse manner also, no problem. We need to follow one condition, no. So So x greater than y greater than z. What is the first condition you see? 6 years ago, the age of youngest. 6 years ago, the age of youngest. This is age of youngest. X minus 6, 6 years ago. X minus z minus 6, 6 years ago, the age of youngest is 1/4 of age of oldest. 1/4 of age of oldest. X minus 6, age of oldest. So by this what you will get? 4z minus 24 equal to x minus 6. So 4z minus 24 plus 6 means here minus 18 you will get, minus 18 equal to x. This one we got by using the first equation. Of course you can get z also, because he is asking what is the age of oldest person, x we required here. Second condition, 3 years ago the age of youngest was 3 years ago, age of youngest, z minus 3 equal to the age of youngest was half of the age of third person. Half of the age of third person. Who is the third person here? Who is the third person? Third person means youngest and oldest. Third person means who will get here? Third person means the middle person will get y. Y minus 3. 2z minus 6 equal to y minus 3. Y minus 3. So we can get 2z minus 3 equal to y. This is second equation. So there you is having z, there is also you having z. By solving those two equations, we will get z value. After that, we will get y value. After that, we will get x value. These two are the equations are given there. Just try to solve it. 22s correct only. Many have written 22s, right? Very good. Very good, right? Very good. All of you written very good, right? 22s, right? But we know that x plus y plus z equal to 42. Because average is 14 means 3 members average 14 means 14 into 3 42. So we know x value in z's, we know y value in z. Just replace, that's all you will get. In the place of x, 4z minus 18 we can write, 4z minus 18 we can write. In the place of y we can write 2z minus 3 we can write, and plus z equal to 42. So 4z, 2z and z means 7z. Minus 18, minus 3, minus 21 equal to 42. So z is 7z equal to 3 and 63. So z equal to 9 years. Z 9 years. Z 9 means 2 9s are 18 minus 3. So y equal to 2 9s 18 minus 3, 15, y 15. Okay, so x value 9. 4 9s 36, 36 minus 18, x equal to 36 minus 18, x equal to 36 minus 18, x equal to. So you will get x value, you got y value, you got z value, you got, and what condition is asking you see. Just you need to verify this condition properly and this condition properly. If options were not given, we can do by equation. We can do by options also, right? Is it clear to everyone, right? Right. Very good. Very good, right? See the next question what was given there, you see. Right, see the next question. What is given there, you see. The present age of A is thrice the present age of C. 10 years ago, the age of A was half of that B at that time. At that time. If the average age of B and C is 1 year less than the age of A, then find the present age of B. Can I get an answer from any one of you, right? Just try, you can discuss in seconds, right? What is the answer? Many are writing option 1, many are writing option 1. Right, we can discuss right now. So, the percentage of A is thrice the percentage of C. Thrice the percentage of C. Suppose if you take the C's A's percentage of C is X years if you take. Present age of C if you take as X years, then you will get the percentage of A is thrice the percentage of C. So then what is the percentage of A? Is thrice means 3x. 3x years. What is the second condition you see now? 10 years ago, the age of A, present is 3x means 10 years ago means 3x minus 10 was half that of B at the time. That of B at the time. Suppose if you take half, B's age we didn't take. Suppose if we take B's age as Y, because there is no condition on B, we can take as Y. At that time is 10 years ago. So this is the condition. So we know present age, and we know this equation. 10 years ago the age of A is 3x, 10 years ago 3x minus 10 was half that of B at the time. B's present age if you take as Y, 10 years ago means Y minus 10, half. What you will get, you see, 2 into 6x minus 20 equal to Y minus 10. 6x minus 20 equal to Y minus 10. So 6x plus becomes 6x minus 10 equal to Y. This is one equation, this is one and this is another. Now what is asking, you see, the average age of B and C is 1 year less than the age of A. The average age of B and C. The average age of B and C. B is X, B is Y, no, Y means 6x minus 10 and C means X. Average is given 1 year less to age of A. That is another condition is given there. X plus Y by 2. Average C and B. X plus Y by 2 equal to is given 1 year less to A, 3x minus 1. This is another equation. This one is one equation, this one is another equation. What you will get, you see here, x plus y equal to 2 3 6x minus 2. So y equal to 5x minus 2. Here y equal to 6x minus 10, y equal to 5x minus 2. Compare these two, you will get the answer. 6x minus 10, 5x minus 2. 6x minus 10, 5x minus 2. So it goes, x will remain, it goes plus 10 means 8. X equal to 8 years. But what is asking, find the age of present age of B. Y is asking, not x. Many have written first option. You retain first option means that is x means age of C. But is asking find the age of B. B means 5x minus 8. 5 age of 40 minus 2. 38 years. 38 years. Y is asking, not A. 38 years. Option 1, many have written option 1, that is C's age. But the question is asking B's percentage of A less than, then find the percentage of B. Is asking B's age means Y is asking. So Y equal to 5x minus 2, 5 age of 40 minus 2, 38 years. 38 years. You need to read carefully. Is it clear to everyone? Right, very good. Some of who written 8, that is age of X means C. But is asking, the question is asking age of B, 38 years. Very good, very good. Many have written right. Yes, very good. These are some examples about ages. Many examples will be there in ages. Complicated equations you will get. Okay, ago, hence, now onwards. All these words they will use, twice, thrice. You need to be careful. You can do by using options, you can do by using equations also. If you are perfect in equations, you can do by equations. A little doubt is there, means you can use options. After that options you can substitute the answer in equation, you will get clarity about the equation and you will be verified yourself. Okay. So whatever you like, you follow that, right? Very good. One more example I will give, just you try. Three years ago, the age of Shravan was twice the age of Ritesh. 3 years ago, Shravan was twice the age of Ritesh. That is the example is given there. At the time, 4 years hence the age of Ritesh. See, ago is given, the word hence is given, and after is giving, now onwards is giving, all those represents the time. Now onwards means plus, hence means plus, after means plus, ago means only minus. You need to be careful when you are doing the question, right? Just try, we can discuss tomorrow also. Some more examples on ages, right? Thank you everyone.